your boy, Parker Deanable. We're back here again at the lake. All right, here with us, we got Jackson. We got my dad, Marcus. We got the cameraman, Braden. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get this sparkler here on the end of this arrow. We're gonna get that right there. We're gonna light it. We're gonna light it. We're gonna light it. Do the blowtorch. There you go. All right. We're gonna light it, and then we're gonna shoot it. It's gonna travel through the air and strike this balloon right here, full of butane, highly explosive, and we're gonna get it in all hardcore slow motion.
You shot too fast. Wait.
Since I missed, we're gonna have Jackson try. Jackson, don't do that. All right, we're gonna have Jackson try since I missed. All right. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway. Mind on a permanent vacation. The ocean is my only medication. Wishing my condition ain't ever gonna go away.
Okay, let's get a lighter.
All right, since none of us are actually good at archery, he's not.
I am.
No,
I can do it.
we're gonna get an arrow, and then we're just gonna poke it. All
Alright, here you go.
right.
Action.
All right, you ready? Slow mo.
Yep.
It's a sweet, sweet life, living by the salty sea. One day you could be as lost as me. Change your geography. Maybe you might be.
This arrow shot.
Blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my
There you go.
chair.
All right.
Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. Come on in, the water's nice. Find yourself a little slice. Grab a backpack and lunch. You never know until you try. When you lose yourself, you find the key to paradise.
Dang it!